road trip. A road trip. And I love Origami Yoda. Just look, I just love Origami Yoda so much. Yeah, Virginia? Yay! Yoo-hoo! Virginia, everybody! Anyways, that's my bag down there. Yup. So, just look out the window. Look how pretty it is. Isn't it great? So great. That's just great. Hope Spider-Man doesn't ruin every day. Haha, mate! I'm back to take over the world. I remember when Sonic was in that basement, I put him there. Nothing can stop me, I'm Spider-Man. Get down here. Oh, not! We better be careful, everybody. Like, really careful, okay? Just gonna sit down here, lay down, and relax. Take that, Sonic. No way. Anyways, I'm on my way back to my house. Might grab a chili dog. Might grab a chili dog, everybody. Chili dog. Anyways, gotta go sleep. It's been a hard day. I would like to sleep in peace. Who do you think he is? Thinks he can just do that? Who do you think he is? I'm going to attack him. Yeah, take that. Come on, man. I just want to sleep.